Bonjour, guys. Welcome to another recipe video of what I'm going to make my brother for lunch today. Well, yeah. Well, I'm just gonna show you guys the recipe video for my tacos that I'll be making. Today we're gonna have some Korean style barbecue sauce pork tacos. I like that at the defrost. And yeah, so for this you need garlic, sweet peppers, mozzarella cheese for the taco, of course whatever tortilla you feel like using, you use it. For this one we're using the smaller ones because it fits in his lunch kit. And I'm just putting this out. This is what I'm gonna use to make my guacamole. Get into it. And the sauce, and also bacon and the pork. It's funny because yesterday after work, my supervisor, I know this looks very questionable, but it's actually fine. Not supervisor, but my coworkers, they were talking about the guacamole. One of them said it was her first time trying it. It was so funny, but because I was like, hey, I know how to make it. I made it before when I did the shrimp taco recipe, and I'm just gonna make another one again. So why not? It was really good. My brother said he really liked it, so yeah. Okay, for the guacamole we need avocado. This avocado looks so questionable, but it's the last one in my fridge, so whatever. And some lime, tomatoes, and onions. You can use raw onions, use whatever onion you want to use. This is sweet onion, that's what I'm using. And yeah, let me just get started on this. It's really quick and easy because the sauce is technically already sauced, but we'll see. I'll show y'all. Let's get started. And here's another questionable material. This is plantain. I had two more left, so I'm just gonna use one of them to fry, you know, and add next to the tacos. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my cute model on pesto. Look at this. Just gonna rinse it out. So now, this is so small and so cute. It's what I use to make the guac because I'm not really doing a lot. It works so well. And here the guacamole. In here I put slice some onions, tomato. It was the small tomatoes, but I used the cherry tomato. I wouldn't recommend it. If you're going to use it, you might want to use the bigger tomatoes because these get squishy. So I put the guacamole in here with some onions and a tomato, and now I'm just gonna season it with some salt. Yes, you have to season it. Salt and black pepper, like according to your taste, of course. Salt and some black pepper, just because I want to, I'm gonna add some paprika, just a little bit. And of course you never forget the lime. Bro, if this thing squirt on me, we're gonna have a problem. Okay. Yes, squeeze the lime. There you go. Directly into that. And then I'm just gonna smush. Use my pesto to, you know, do the work. See how satisfying that look? Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop recording and do this quickly. Okay, so I ended up putting way too much lime. Make sure you watch out for that as well. So now I'm gonna add a bit more avocado to counter that flavor. Okay, so I added more guac in here, and the lime flavor was still a bit overbearing. So I hope, please don't come for me and do not kill me, okay? I added a little bit of honey to counter the sourness of the lime in here. And worked. It was only a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. And it tastes actually really good. Well, you live and you learn. Next time I'll know not to do that again. So this is how I prepare the pork. I put the pork in here with some bacon, just one bacon. I put in there. Give me a second. Okay, so I could use this when I pull the pork to put in my garlic. So I'm gonna add some garlic in here. The pork is gonna be very quick to cook. It doesn't take that long. And I put some sweet pepper and onion. Onion really makes oh shoot, that's so hot. Onion makes any meat cook really faster. It softens it up really fast. So if you want to cook a meat really fast, make sure you add onions to it, and it's gonna make it really soft as well. Yeah, I'm just seasoning with some black pepper, of course MSG, always. I don't care. More garlic powder, because why not? Some Himalayan salt. Hello. I know, even though I'm gonna put the seasoning on it, I'm still gonna put the Korean barbecue seasoning on it. So first you gotta make sure it's also well seasoned. And now turn my stove up and stir everything. I know it looks very questionable right now, but trust the process. It's like white meat. Trust the process, okay? Even if you don't trust the process, stay here and keep watching me, okay? That's all you gotta do. But I'm gonna stop stirring this now, and I will cover it up. Where is, yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna cover it up with a top. Wait a second. Do you want to fight? The steam is gonna cook it. I didn't put no oil on it. I didn't put no oil or nothing. I just left the cream pork like that. I didn't put no oil because the grease from the bacon is literally gonna, you know, substitute as an oil for that. And the heat from the steam is gonna cook it. Okay, that's it for now. And here I have the plantains that I'm going to fry really quickly. These does not take long. Let me add all. I just gotta throw it in here. Ooh. Oh my god, wait, I just pulled hot oil in my hand. Shit. Hello? I'm gonna lower that a little bit. Yes, I'm using my bare hand. My hands are clean. Oh, hello? Fight? Do you wanna fight? No, I don't wanna fight actually. That's a very hot oil over there. But don't be like me, okay? Protect yourself. There we go. And I'm gonna let the plantain fry. And the pork is cooking. I'm gonna lower the stove because this, you can see, I'm gonna stir it up. Like I said, this is a barbecue we're making, so I did add a little bit of water because I don't want it to be completely burnt. But that brown color is good. I want that brown color. So yeah, let me stir this up quickly. And as you can see, I still haven't added the sauce yet. I'll put the water on it and make sure it clears up all the scum on the bottom. Those are not bad things, those are just the seasoning. So, and the pork is pretty much almost done. So just the bacon showing through right now. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and if you want to use oil, you can use sesame oil. This is too high. Lower this further on. You can use sesame oil, or This was the sesame oil. Or regular oil if you have it. Or vegetable oil. So since it's a Korean Thai barbecue dish, I feel like sesame oil is the best way to use. And now, look at that. I'm gonna add the sauce to the barbecue. Korean barbecue seasoning sauce. And the sauce is fully seasoned already. 100% seasoned. That's how it's gonna make it look. Because I don't want it to be too mushy. I am going to lower the stove and let it dilute a little. Yeah. I'm like doing this because there's a lot of pepper in this. My nose is bleeding. And now the plantain is done. It's ready. I'm gonna turn this off. And this is still simmering. If you want, you can also add a little bit of water if it's too much, if the flavor is too overbearing for you. But it's really not. It's just really, really good. Wow. 진짜 맛있어. It's so good. So that's pretty much how it's gonna look. I'm gonna put these up quickly. And this is how it turned out. Like, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I did that. And here we have the fried plantains, the guacamole that I made. And here's some cheese. That's what he's gonna take. Stick around to find out if he's gonna finish all of this. Oh my god, this touched my soul, okay? This is so good. Okay, he just came from school. I'm gonna show you guys whether he finished the tacos for the lunch or not. Let's see. Just calm down. Oh, he said I should leave the guac alone. He's about to eat it. So, well, nothing left. That means I did my thing. Let's see. Ready, set. Damn, there's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Period. How would you rate it out of 10? 10 out of 10? Ooh, let's go. Hey, I did my big one. My big one. Period. And that's it. Like, get into it. You can do this yourself. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, in every video, I post a recipe. I do this every Monday to Friday. You know, like I post recipe when I feel like it. Actually, when I'm not busy, just kidding. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye. Chang.